big breaking news that's coming in from the court regarding Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. This is related to the Delhi liquor policy scam case. Chief Minister Kejriwal's bail hearing in the top court was underway, and now the news that's coming in is that there is no relief for Arvind Kejriwal because no order on his interim bail plea has been passed today. Remember, he had submitted a plea challenging his arrest, and now that, the top court has said, will be further heard on the 9th of May. My colleague Harish has been tracking all these developments in the court. Let me go across to him and understand what exactly happened. Harish, another day, another setback for Arvind Kejriwal, no relief for him. He was hoping that he gets that interim bail today. But now, of course, the matter being, now adjourned till the 9th of May. But what exactly happened? What transpired in the court? What reasoning did both sides give today?
Yes, in fact, since the hearing in the petition filed by Arvind Kejriwal challenging his arrest and subsequent remand was getting prolonged, Supreme Court was contemplating an interim bail for in view of the election so that he can campaign, considering the fact that he is an elected representative, he is an elected Chief Minister of the state of Delhi, and he is not an habitual offender. There are no other cases against him, and most importantly being that he is the president of the Aam Aadmi Party, and therefore he should be allowed to campaign since this pending matter is prolonged. But the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta vehemently opposed any bail, contending that there cannot be another law for politician and another law for and separate law for the common man. Thousands are languishing in jail without their case being heard, and a politician cannot be given preferential treatment, and it will send a wrong message to the society that a politician can enjoy a luxury like election campaigning, and therefore, and also the ED cannot be blamed for choosing the time of arrest because 9 summonses were issued to him in the past 6 months, and he had not cooperated, and he should not be allowed to take benefit of that. And also, but the Supreme Court said that one condition might be imposed on Kejriwal, that he cannot perform any official duty, he cannot sign any official files. That is the condition the Supreme Court was mulling, and at a time when in fact we were expecting that there will be an order today, the Supreme Court has just merely reserved the interim bail application for order and has not pronounced an order today. And as far as the main petition is concerned, the petition wherein Kejriwal has challenged his arrest, that has been kept for day after tomorrow. So it's expected that there will be an order in this regard in a day or two. But as of now, as you rightly said, today no order has been passed, which means that as of now there is no relief coming in from the Supreme Court for Arvind Kejriwal. Back to you.
Harish, the Supreme Court also had some harsh words for the Enforcement Directorate today, saying that it's been 2 years, you're still probing the case, the fact that there has been a huge gap between the initiation of the proceedings till the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. Clearly some, firm words for the probe agency as well today in this case.
Yes, that's right. The bench of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta were previously not happy the way the investigation has been going in this case, saying that for two years they have not done any attachment and recovery as far as Kejriwal is concerned. While as per the PMLA, there is a cutoff days of 365 days, and if nothing is recovered, no attachment made for 365 days, in fact, the accused is entitled to some relief. So citing this, Supreme Court very clearly said that what we are looking into is compliance of Section 19, whether there is prima facie material against the accused to prove his guilt. In this regard, the Supreme Court said that it reflects very poorly on an investigating of the agency that for 2 years they could not recover anything, and they are still trying to unearth evidence as far as Kejriwal is concerned. So these were some of the very strong remarks made by the bench of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta while asking pointed questions to the Enforcement Enforcement Directorate, as you rightly put. So, several pointed questions to ED, to which ED could not give any convincing answers, and at the same time, the Supreme Court was considering interim bail for Kejriwal in view of the ongoing elections, but even that has been, for the time being, deferred because Supreme Court has merely reserved its judgment on that facet too.